Hello and welcome back to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a light bulb hourglass, which is a very fun and very simple project to make that only uses a few simple parts. Let's get started. And these are the items that you're going to need to make for this project. The items you're going to need is 2 small square pieces of plywood, which will be the bases of each of the light bulbs, so that way you can be able to stand this hourglass on both sides. You're also going to need 2 globe-style light bulbs, some really fine sand, and a washer that allows you to be able to pass the sand through. The bigger the hole, the faster the sand will fall. The smaller the hole, the slower the sand will fall. Now let's go ahead and assemble this project. The first step, I need to take this box here, and I'm going to need to empty out the filament that is in the inside of this light bulb. But, safety first. Make sure you wear eye protection when you're handling glass. So what I need to do is I need to carefully open up the bottom of the light bulb and empty out the filament that's inside, so that way the light bulb can be empty. This part here is some type of soda glass, and I need to chip it away. And I need to remove everything and make it hollow inside. So I'm going to go ahead and get my pliers, twist them around, break the filament just like this, and pull it out. There, it should look just like that. Now empty out the glass carefully, and there, you have a hollowed out light bulb. There's still those pieces of glass that are on the side, so I need to clean those out. And there, perfectly clean and smooth. Repeat the same process on the other light bulb. And there we go, it should look just like this. Next, what I want to do is I want to remove this print that is on this light bulb. So I'm going to go ahead and get my pocket knife and scratch out this print. So that way the light bulb looks nice and clean. Next, I'm going to take some GB Weld, which only takes 5 minutes to cure, and I'm going to go ahead and place it on this cardboard right here. Put 50% black, and then 50% white. Mix it together, just like this. Next, I'm going to take my plywood and find the center of the plywood. And there we go, I found my center, and I'm going to take some of this GB Weld and place it right in the center, just like this. Place my light bulb right on top of the GB Weld, and take my leveler and make sure it's nice and level. Just like that. And there we go, I can see that it's level, so now what I need to do is hold it in place for about 5 minutes or more. And now the GB Weld is cured, and next I'm going to need to take some sand and a funnel. Place my funnel inside of the light bulb and pour some sand inside. Fill it up about halfway. And there, it should look just like this. Next, repeat the same process with the other light bulb, and it should look just like this. Next, I'm going to place my washer on top of the light bulb just like this, and take my other light bulb and place it on top, just to see if everything is level. There we go, everything is level and balanced. Next, I'm going to take some more GB Weld, and then take a little bit of it and place it on top of the light bulb, just like this. Put my washer on top, and put some more on the other light bulb, and then stack it together and connect it together just like this. And there, your project is now done. But first, let's wait until it cures. And now let's go ahead and test it out. And it barely works. That's a little bit disappointing that it's not working. Okay, well, it's not working, so what I need to do is fix the washer. Apparently, the hole that's in the washer is too small, so I need to make the hole bigger. And that's because my sand is not fine enough. So what I need to do is make the hole much bigger, like that. So now this should work. So now let's go ahead and reassemble everything together just like before. And there you have it, the project is now done a second time. Let's go ahead and test it out. Ah, much better. As you can see, this works perfectly. And there you have it, now you know how to make your very own light bulb hourglass with using just a few simple parts. And there you have it. Thank you for watching Sci-Fi Tech. I hope you learned something new, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course click on the bell icon to be notified for future Sci-Fi Tech videos. Till the next tech, goodbye.